Climb through the clutter. These are the hard facts. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week on Hard Facts, I want to talk to you about managing all of your codes. What I mean specifically is we're utilizing tons of different pieces of software and analytical data to evaluate everything that we're doing as a business. But how are you tracking and adding all of that code to your existing website to make sure nothing gets lost in the shuffle? So most businesses have, for example, a Google Analytics code, a conversion tracking code, a retargeting code, probably also some third parties like a phone tracking code, maybe email marketing. You name it, there's probably a code for it. But are you just taking all of those codes and dumping them into the back end of your website? If so, stop it now. So you've got to stop because it's doing a few things. One, and most affecting your customer experience, is probably slowing down the load time of your website. So here's the solution. Utilize Google Tag Manager. This is going to be a one-stop shop for you managing your code as well as what you're looking to specifically track in regards to that code. Google Tag Manager is going to give you one unified place where all of the code will be placed and then tracked for your website. So in other words, you can take your Google Analytics code, set it up there. Any third-party code, set it up there. The benefit of this is if you are not responsible for your own website, let's say you're utilizing a vendor where every time you make an update, want to track something new or buy a new program that you need to add code to your website for, is you've got to email them and then probably wait a week or more to get that code on your website. Here allows you with Google Tag Manager to be the controller of all of that information and not need the support system of that website provider. So I recommend you invest your time in moving all of your codes over to Google Tag Manager. Don't forget, you want to make sure that you email your current provider to pull all of your existing codes down once you make and start that migration, so you're not tracking everything twice. Now that's just another example of how a hard fact turns into a solid strategy. Like, tweet, or comment below on a topic you'd like me to cover, and I'll see you next week.